Effective coughing is a method of coughing properly which can use energy to cough as effectively as possible, so that it is not easy to get tired of removing sputum to the maximum. Effective coughing aims to remove sputum that has accumulated in the inside of the lungs. This cough technique will lift all the sputum in the respiratory tract to the maximum, so that the airflow returns smoothly and the continuous cough that is exhaled. Effective cough indication. Usually effective cough is performed on clients with chronic pulmonary disease. In such conditions the client should be motivated to breathe deeply and cough at least every 2 hours, if he is conscious, and every 2 or 3 hours, if sleeping, until the acute phase of late mucus production. Here are some types of indications for an effective cough. 1. COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This disease is characterized by airflow obstruction in the airways that is progressive, non-reversible or partially reversible. COPD consists of chronic bronchitis and emphysema, or a combination of both. 2. Emphysema. An anatomical abnormality of the lung characterized by widening of the air cavities distal to the terminal bronchioles, accompanied by damage to the alveoli. 3. Asthma. A disorder in the form of chronic inflammation of the airways that causes narrowing of the airways. How to do an effective cough technique. 1. Place your left hand across your chest and your right hand on your stomach. 2. Instruct the patient to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. 3. Do this technique for 3 times. 4. After inhaling for 3 times, instruct the patient to cough vigorously in the space provided. 5. If there is still sputum, do this technique 1 more time. 6. Give the patient 5 minutes of rest before performing the effective cough technique again.